Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to remove green screen video background in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's start. Create a new project. Capture format DV. OK. Then create a new sequence. HDV 1080 p30. OK. Project. Ctrl I, insert the video. This is our work video. Fit the scale to fit. Don't want the sound. Unlink the sound. Go to effect. Search keying. Just type key. This is a keying. We have a lot of key. I need ultra key. Just drag the effect, insert the sequence. This is the ultra key. I need to remove the green. Go to effect control. Select color. Pick color. Select green. The background are removed. This is matte generation. You have options: transparency, highlight, shadow, tolerance, pedestal. This is the shadows. Make 50. This is transparency. The video was transparent. Make a 45. This is the highlight. You can more detail. You can use highlight. Make it 10 is best. Now insert the background video. Select this background. Just drag in sequence. The video was video 2. The background videos was video 1. You can align the layer. See. Now select the video. I need to increase the background duration. Just right click. Go to duration. Select the video length 15:10. Okay, the background was same length duration in the video. Now select the source video. Go to effect control. See, this is the shadows. Now you find the different. See, this is the highlight. See, the background was little dull. This is transparency. This is pedestal. Now go to remove the blurriness. can decrease the pedestal and increase the highlights. Shadow was 52. See that? This was fine. This is fine. Increase the shadows. This is pedestal. Decrease or increase. See the difference. This is fine. The green screen was removed. The background was removed. The most important effects for Ultra key for the remove background or green screen. Okay, let's see the final output. This is green screen removal in Adobe Premium Pro CC. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.